for this next section, you'll need to grab your clay from the previous lesson, some water and some thin paintbrushes. You'll need some watercolour palettes as well, and some paper. To start, test out some colours onto the paper before directly applying it to the clay. You're going to use a small thin paintbrush to carefully paint inside the embedded plant impression. You may need to do a few layers as the clay will absorb the watercolour. On the back, you may like to write your name, the year, or perhaps, if this is a gift, to the recipient of your gift. Next, we are going to seal the clay, and we're going to use Mod Podge. This is like a varnish. Gather a paintbrush and a small container, and you will only need a small amount of the Mod Podge. I've actually put out too much, so you'll need less than what I've popped out. And you are going to now apply it to your clay. Begin with the back. It's very important that you start with the back of the clay first. And you'll also need to do the sides before placing it down onto the paper to do the front or the top layer. Please be aware that it can be a little bit sticky and that some of your colour may start to run a little bit into your paintbrush. So again, start with the back and your edges before flipping it over to then do the top side. Make sure you're writing your name on your paper where you're leaving your clay to dry. And you may like to use a cloth to wipe your hands if it gets sticky. Your hands will get sticky, particularly when putting varnish onto the beads of clay you have. The varnish will dry relatively quickly, and here are your finished products. Make sure to clean up your work.